Hey, what's going on? It's JDM, Jason Dowty Music. Welcome to Producing for Artists. This course has over 40 something videos on how to become an expert producer where you can do it every time. We're going to go over not only, the how-tos and the step-by-steps, but we're also going to go over the concepts, how you can come up with new song ideas, how you can beat block, everything that you can think of, how to mix, how to export, all of that. So if you want to take this entire course, be sure to follow this playlist. So it's all in one playlist. It's completely free here on YouTube. So just go right ahead and sign up for that playlist. And you can take this entire course. In the description, right at the top, there's something that says, here are the course resources. Make sure you click on that link because it includes all of the guides that I talk about, and it also has the stems if you want to try mixing yourself. It has a template, it has starter links, it has like song structure, the JDM mixing cheat sheet, all of these types of things. Also, there's a couple of bonuses that's going to be in that resources as well. I'm going to give you some sample packs. I'm going to give you my Vox City one-shots, which is basically I sang into a mic, ran it through a vocoder, and came up with all of these cool pads and bass and key sounds and all of that. And my JDM drum kit, all the drums that I use all of the time, it'll save you from cycling through a bunch of drums that are garbage, right? It'll give you at least one good kit that you can start with if you're just starting your producer journey. So I hope this helps. I'm also going to include a guide. So after you make all of this music, or maybe you are already making incredible music, if you want to get your music into TV and film, I'm going to include a guide that gives you your first steps to start down that journey. I've been following a program called Sync Producer Hub from my man, Anthony Clint Jr., and it's been working. I have 65 placements on TV shows like Dateline NBC, The Today Show, Top Chef VIP, like all of these types of shows, right? So it's working for me, and hopefully it can work for you too. But just to get you started, I've included a PDF guide in the resources as well. So just go to the description, go to resources, you can download all of that stuff, and I hope you enjoyed this course. And if you haven't already, please subscribe because I have other FL Studio tutorials and courses, and I also have a lot more about my personal journey of leaving my 9-to-5 and making music full-time. So if you're interested in doing that as well, I'm sharing all the secrets that I'm finding along this journey. So cool. All right, so enjoy the course, and I'll see you around.